how's it going, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video. This is off schedule. I know I usually post on Saturdays. This is just a quick thank you. There's 22 of you that have subscribed, and that's great because now none of you are going to be missing out on any of the Hysteria action, so thank you and congratulations. I did want to thank each and every one of you. So Brain Gurney, Kevin Doherty, Ben Dixon, Ranger09654, Adam Benia, Tim Taylor, Gurn, M Solo 1125, I don't know, user, Stockton, Kyle Durand. There's more of you. Those are the only 11 of you that I have access to. But all 22 subscribers, thank you. And if you will, please be a part of the growing of this channel. Share my videos, especially the ones you liked. Give me a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate if you guys will just shoot me an email, unboxhysteria@gmail.com. I sent you all thank you messages a little while ago on YouTube. I don't know if YouTube gives those notifications or not, but take a look at that. Shoot me an email of what you want to see next, and I would love to connect with you, say hello, and as we move forward, I'm just excited to build this thing. Again, I am doing this because I love to do this. It's really helping me to develop my skills as a filmmaker, and I'm really having fun with it. So I'm excited to see where things go. Thanks for joining early, and for the rest of you, please subscribe. Not for me, but for you. Lots of great things planned. This channel's going places, and I'm excited to do a lot of really cool and fun things on here, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure you subscribe, and that's all for now. We'll see you in this week's video, and we'll catch you in the next one.